Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Formatter by Zapier. This is an incredibly useful tool that helps you manipulate and transform data between different apps in your automated workflows, making your Zaps much more powerful and flexible. First, let's get things started by opening your web browser and heading over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Zapier account, as this is where all your automation workflows live. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Here, look for the Zap button and click on it. This button is your starting point for creating any new automation workflow in Zapier. Clicking it will open up a fresh workspace where you can begin building your automation from scratch. Now you'll see the trigger button appear on your screen. Click on this button to set up the first part of your Zap. The trigger is essentially the event that kicks off your entire automation, so choosing the right one is crucial. In the trigger section, you'll need to search for and select your trigger app. For example, if you want your automation to start when you receive a new email, you'd search for and select Gmail from the list of available apps. Once you've selected your trigger app, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, choose a specific trigger event that matches what you want to happen. This could be something like new email or new attachment, depending on your needs. Take a moment to review the options and pick the one that aligns with your workflow goals. Next, you'll need to connect your Trigger app account to Zapier. This step is important because it gives Zapier permission to access the necessary data from your chosen app. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account, and once that's done, click Continue to move forward. Now we're getting to the heart of what makes Formatter by Zapier so powerful. Click on the Action button. This is where you'll set up what happens after your trigger fires. In the app search bar that appears, type Formatter by Zapier and select it from the results. Formatter is Zapier's built-in tool for manipulating text, numbers, dates, and other data types, allowing you to clean up, reformat, or transform information before sending it to another app. After selecting Formatter by Zapier, you'll see a drop-down menu asking you to choose an action event. This determines what type of transformation you want to perform on your data. Browse through the available options and select the one that fits your needs. Then click Continue. Finally, you'll need to choose your preferred transform from the drop-down menu. Formatter offers various transform options like converting text to uppercase, extracting specific parts of a date, performing mathematical calculations, and much more. Select the transform that matches what you're trying to achieve, then provide any necessary information in the fields that appear. This might include selecting which data field to transform or entering specific formatting parameters. Once you've filled everything in, click Continue. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Formatter by Zapier in your workflow, giving you the ability to manipulate data exactly how you need it before passing it along to the next step in your automation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.